Top 5 iPhone 15 Pro. Phone cases for gift shoppers. Trendy picks for style, protection, and value. Looking for the perfect gift for your iPhone 15 Pro owning friend or loved one? We've got you covered. Here's a trendy, fun, and practical guide that compares the top 5 iPhone 15 Pro cases for every style, need, and budget. Shopping for phone cases doesn't have to be boring. Let's dive into their standout features and what makes them the perfect gifts this season. Price, $49 to $59. Why it's great. Apple's own silicone case is a minimalist dream. It hugs the iPhone 15 Pro like a glove with its chic, soft touch finish. Plus, it's MagSafe compatible for all the tech-savvy gifties who dig wireless charging. Best for if the person on your list loves simplicity with a premium touch, this is your pick. It's a reliable and lightweight option that screams Apple elegance. Price, $59.95, $69.95. Why it's great. The Defender series is the rugged companion every adventurer needs. With multi-layer protection, a built-in screen protector, and port covers, this case is practically indestructible. Whether your giftee is hiking trails or battling the daily grind, this case has their back. Best for, perfect for those who take their phones everywhere, and we mean everywhere, or are prone to accidental drops. Price, $19.99, $24.99. Why it's great. A true budget champion, the Spig & Tuff Armor offers excellent dual-layer protection with air cushion technology for shock absorption. Bonus? It even has a built-in kickstand for binge-watching sessions or video calls. Best for everyday users who want top-notch protection without breaking the bank. Price, $65, $85. Custom designs may cost extra. Why it's great. When it comes to style and sustainability, Cassetify leads the pack. Not only are their designs trendy and customizable, but the Impact case also boasts military-grade drop protection and eco-friendly materials. Best for. This one's for the fashionistas in your life who love to make a statement with their tech accessories. Price, $59.99, $69.99. Why it's great. Mouse takes luxury to the next level. Crafted from premium materials like leather, wood, or aramid fiber, this case combines elegance with top-tier durability. It's sleek, sturdy, and undeniably classy. Best for, ideal for someone who appreciates a high-quality aesthetic and serious protection in equal measure. Still undecided, here are a few more amazing cases that deserve your attention. Pitaka Maggie Z case, $59.999, $79.999. Ultra slim and made from aramid fiber, it's MagSafe compatible and oozes sophistication. Rhino Shield solid suit, $49.99, $59.99. A modular beauty with customizable buttons and high drop protection. Nomad leather case, $59.95, $69.95. Classic premium leather that ages like fine wine, a must-have for timeless charm. Make gifting easy by shopping these cases on trusted platforms like Amazon, or head straight to official brand websites such as Apple, OtterBox, Spigen, Cassetify, and Mouse. Authenticity and warranty are a must, especially for premium products. Who knew phone cases could be this fun to shop for? With these trendy, functional, and stylish picks, you're sure to find a standout gift for every personality on your list. Whether they value practicality, protection, or aesthetics, one of these cases will surely make their holiday season brighter and their phone safer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome gift guides and tech tips. Happy shopping!